Hey mga loves! Join me again for another adventure. By the way, please like if you did, leave a comment below and follow me on my social medias, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a Sunday fun day! For today's biyahe, we are heading to Olongapo, and yes, you hear that right. I am with the boys company, and kapag talagang libre, kahit busy, Gora Dora! Alam nyo mga loves, sometimes we get caught up in trying to be successful sa mga bagay-bagay. You know, nobody is promised tomorrow, so we should make sure that we spend quality time with the quality people. It took us 1 hour and 30 minutes bago kami nakarating sa Olongapo Terminal. Hikab-hikab muna while waiting sa sundo. Feel hungry? Don't worry dahil meron ditong nagtitinda ng mami panglaman ng nangangasim kong sikmura. Saan naabot ang 50 pesos mo?
Yummy!
So for today na nga mga bebe loves, na iraos yung almusal ng walang kape-kape. Meanwhile, dumating na nga yung sundo naming si RN, and I know today is going to be a good day.
Wow!
Naalala ko sinabi ni Ernest Hemingway, in order to write about life, first, you must live it. We can sometimes forget that a big part of life is to enjoy it while it's still here. Enjoying ba means being aware of the present moment and trying to experience all of the things that make us happy to the fullest extent. Kumbaga, minsan, kailangan natin yung magdahan-dahan lang and putting what we have to do and where we have to go on a pause and just be. Kasi kapag masyado tayong invested in a hustle and bustle of life, it can be hard to list joy as a top priority. So sa ilang minuto na yon, ang dami ko nang nasabi, no? By the way, andito na nga pala kami sa Driftwood Beach Resort. If you are looking for a relaxing place, uncrowded beach, legit white fine sand, clear water, and mountain view, this place is a perfect getaway for you. By the way mga bebe loves, 1,000 nga ang bayad namin sa open cottage dahil we don't plan to stay overnight. Pwede rin naman mag-request ng video kaya depende sa lakas ng loob mong kumanta. Since pahinga lang naman ang habol ko at ayaw sa akin ng musika, ipagpaliban na. So that's all for today's video mga bebe loves. Laging tatandaan that a happy life is made up of small daily joys. Minsan, the people you have is the only therapy we need. Moments spent with them in the simplest of places are often the most treasured moments.
Hey Jude, don't let me down.